Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add photo on TikTok live background. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a photo to your TikTok live background can serve several purposes because it allows you to customize your live stream and make it more reflective of your personality or brand. Of course, you can choose a photo that represents you or your interests. If you're using your TikTok live for business or branding purposes, adding a logo or branded image can help reinforce your brand identity to viewers. A well-chosen photo can enhance the visual appeal of your live stream, making it more attractive and engaging for viewers. Now, let me tell you, you can only add a photo on your TikTok live background if you are using the TikTok app on your mobile device. So we're going to switch there. Now, once you are on the TikTok app on your mobile device, I need you to click the plus button at the center. Okay, and from there you need to slide in where you can have the, now you need to switch to going to the right side where you can click on the upload or the going live. All right, now the thing is, if you can't find the live option, that means you should need the requirements of TikTok of having at least 1,000 followers. All right, and then, but if you don't have the option, for example, I don't have obviously I don't have 80,000 followers. I have 0 followers at least, or 0 likes. But in your case, if you have the 1,000 followers and you can't find the option for the live so that you can add your photos on the TikTok background, you might want to click on your profile again, or the 3 dots icon, click on settings and privacy, and click on the report a problem. All right, just wait for it a little bit, and from here you should be able to submit a report. Now all you're gonna do is put in your concern, and that is adding a photo on TikTok live background, but you can have that option into your account. There's gonna be probably a bug, a glitch, and you need help from that. You can also put a video or a screenshot to help you with your concern. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.